Previously, we uncovered 3 reasons why you may be hitting roadblocks when it comes to home organization and organizing a cluttered house. I mentioned that there are 11 common hindrances to getting organized. Today, we will uncover a 4th common hindrance. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists here. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. Stay tuned to the very end of this video for more free organizing help. Now let's look at part 4 and what is preventing you from getting organized. Hindrance number 4, too much clutter and too little space. This particular hindrance to getting organized and organizing a cluttered house has sparked quite a bit of interest in the media regarding topics like minimalism, decluttering, and the idea of only keeping what sparks joy, as one of my favorite authors suggests. It is true that too many belongings can actually steal your joy and your time, as it takes time and effort to maintain a surplus of goods. If this particular hindrance is preventing you from getting organized and organizing a cluttered house, you may say the following: I just need to buy more containers and that will solve it. I should rent a storage unit or clear a space in the garage to get better organized. All of my drawers, closets, shelves, and cabinets are filled to capacity. I can't find it, so I'll just buy another. The solution to this hindrance is getting rid of what you no longer need or find useful. Start with the area that is causing you the most stress. What items have you purchased again and again because you knew you had it, but you couldn't locate it? Assign a home to that item first. For me, it was my kitchen scissors. I now have several, but I keep this item in its permanent home now in my kitchen. Remember, a cluttered space robs your peace and steals your joy. You don't have to accomplish it all in one day. Start with one counter, one shelf, one drawer. If you need to, create a priority list and begin decluttering the area that is causing you the most stress the most frequently. Getting even one area organized today will provide a renewed sense of peace and will help your daily routine go smoother. Here are some common decluttering setbacks and solutions. Time constraints. Solution: adjust your decluttering schedule to better fit your availability. Break down tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Emotional attachment. Solution: when struggling to let go of certain items, remind yourself of the benefits of a clutter-free space. Consider taking photographs of sentimental items to preserve memories. Overwhelm. Solution: if you feel overwhelmed, revisit your goals and break them down further. Focus on one small area at a time and celebrate the progress you make. What can I do if I have too much clutter and too little space? Dealing with too much clutter and too little space can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can use to tackle the problem and create a more organized and functional living or working environment. First, let's examine what things cause you the most daily stress. Is it the laundry, the dishes, the finances? Let's address those areas first. Here are some tips. Declutter. Start by going through your belongings and getting rid of items you no longer need, use, or love. Be ruthless in your decluttering process. Donate or sell items that are in good condition but no longer serve a purpose for you. Consider adopting a minimalist mindset and keeping only the essentials. Start by eliminating trash first. Use a sturdy trash bag. Sort items by category if needed so you can see what you have. Get rid of items that don't work or that work poorly. Expired items, anything you don't love, anything that you'll never use again. Box up the donations and trash recycle the rest. Select a charity to donate your items and schedule the pickup if that is an option. You can join my year-long thorough declutter series. We declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week to declutter the entire home in a year. Organize. Invest in storage solutions like bins, baskets, shelves, and containers to maximize your space. Again, I use the dollar store bins, and they work fine, so don't buy into the lie that organizing has to be expensive. Use vertical space efficiently by installing shelves or hanging organizers on walls. Group similar items together and assign designated spaces for specific categories to make it easier to find things. Storage furniture. Choose furniture with built-in storage options, such as ottomans with hidden compartments or beds with drawers underneath. I like using storage ottomans for shoes and blankets in our main living areas and near the door. They are great for hiding clutter. Opt for multifunctional furniture that serves more than one purpose, such as a sofa bed or a coffee table with storage. Digitalize. Scan important documents and store them digitally to reduce paper clutter. I use Evernote on my phone. Embrace digital media for books, music, and movies to save physical space. Rotate seasonal items. Store seasonal items that are not in use to free up space. For example, pack away winter clothes during the summer. Rotate decorations and accessories to keep your space fresh without overcrowding it. Evaluate and streamline. Regularly assess your belongings and reassess their importance and usefulness. Clutter has a way of growing if we don't manage it regularly. Avoid impulse purchases and be mindful of what you bring into your space. Create zones. Define specific areas or zones for different activities to maintain order. Ensure that each item has a designated home, making it easier to put things away. Optimize closet space. Use slim hangers to maximize closet space. Consider adding shelf dividers and additional hanging rods to make the most of your closet's vertical space. Mindful consumption. Be mindful of your shopping habits and try to buy only what you truly need. Avoid buying things just because they are on sale. Consider borrowing or renting items that you may only need temporarily. Seek professional help. If the clutter is overwhelming, consider hiring a professional organizer to help you create a personalized organization system. Remember, the key is to be consistent in maintaining a clutter-free environment. Regularly reassess your space and make adjustments as needed to prevent clutter from accumulating again. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.